Storm Team 8 Tracking Center. This is a winter weather alert.
Boy, I tell you what, the more I watch the setup tonight for parts of Ottawa and Kent counties, the more I'm thinking someone is going to get absolutely dumped on between now and sunrise. Here's a look at Holland, already happening there. Heavy snow falling there along Lake Macatawa and across much of southern Ottawa County as heavy snow begins to lift north. We're also seeing some decent snowfall here out at the Gerald R. Ford International Airport, where there have been a lot of delays and cancellations once again today. So here's the situation. Storm Track Live showing that main dominant band that is continuing to drift northward, and heavy snow is developing across parts of Ottawa and Kent counties especially as well. Pretty interesting setup though. You'll notice this is lifting north. We have southwesterly winds rushing in the Allegan County area. Up toward Muskegon, we have northwesterly winds. What that means is really nice convergence is likely setting up for Ottawa and Kent County, likely going to situate that heaviest band somewhere here between I-196 and I-96. So if you're in Ottawa or Kent County, get the snow blowers ready, because there's a good chance at least a few communities, not everyone, but a few communities could see some really heavy snow between now and sunrise. Here's a closer view. Snowfall rates of 1 inch per hour or greater, especially over toward Jamestown Township, Byron Center, south side of Caledonia. And again, this is slowly drifting to the north. Heavy snow now encompassing much of Ottawa County as well, and road conditions are pretty poor as a result. Lots of church cancellations continuing to pour in. Check before you head out tomorrow morning. Winter storm warning remains in effect until noon for most of the area. This is all for lake effect. Winter weather advisory elsewhere. As we walk you through Futurecast, there's that dominant band across parts of Ottawa, Kent, stretching into Ionia, perhaps even Montcalm counties overnight tonight into the morning hours of Sunday. Begins to taper off to just some flurries. We won't completely get rid of the snow, but it will be much lighter by Sunday afternoon, which will give some folks a chance to dig out. Forecast still looking great. We're looking at an area of heavy snow right here in Ottawa and Kent County. That's the best chance of seeing perhaps 8 inches or more in a few communities by the time it wraps up. Elsewhere, expecting accumulating snow to continue. Slick roads right on into the first half of the day on Sunday. Recovery going to be a bit tougher because of the chilly temperatures. 22 right now in Grand Rapids, 14 in Kalamazoo and Battle Creek, down to 11 in Sturgis. Winds are pretty gusty too. Wind chill down to -6 toward the state line, right around 10 degrees in Grand Rapids. And what that means is salt and chemical treatments, because of those temperatures in the teens, not as effective. Wind chill advisory in place along the state line. That's for wind chill values as low as -25. In fact, our model shows just that early tomorrow morning. It's not going to be warm anywhere with wind chill values in the single digits, but it's especially along the state line where winds are actually wrapping around the lake, the cold air. We're being insulated by Lake Michigan. Not the case, though, further south you go. As we head into Monday morning, wind chills could be bone-chillingly cold as far north as Kalamazoo and Battle Creek. You can tell all the way over toward Lansing, perhaps wind chill values as low as -25, and we may remain below 0 for a feels like temperature on Monday and into the day on Tuesday. Very chilly next few days ahead. Your 8-day forecast shows high temperatures in the teens right on through Wednesday. Thursday's the warmest day with a high in the low 20s, but it looks like this will be one of the more impactful weeks of the winter as light lake effect snow continues, and it will be difficult to keep the roads clear. But by far the heaviest snow is expected tonight, Amanda.